Flaminum Technology presents the project Water for Life. At first, it was a thought. The thought gave an impetus to create water treatment technology. Cavitation is a phenomenon that is known for a long time. Cavitation, cold boiling, destroys any materials, often damages equipment, and creates noise. However, cavitation has a positive side. Cavitation treats, cleans surfaces, helps ships move, and it is part of nature. The beneficial use of cavitation is still in its early days. The main idea of our project is to use cavitation for water treatment. The first stage – start. In 2015, our team joined together with the Water for Life project with the aim to develop new water treatment and desalination technology. In 2017, we created the first working pilot installation of the supercavitation evaporator and got the first steam. The result of our work is an innovative supercavitation evaporator, which is created from idea, zero stage, to implementation, operating model. The second stage – success. Cavitation is a phenomenon which is studied well by the science. In terms of physics, calculated performances of evaporation during cavitation demonstrate high energy efficiency. So there is a fundamental question – how to get steam from depleted environment? Scientists and engineers from many countries work on solving this problem for a long time. Having studied world experience, we checked the results of the created mathematical model by comparing with the observed data. We made a model of a supercavitation cavern. We used a flow deaeration device. We found the dependence of the cavern length on speed, temperature and pressure. We developed the circulation circuit of the evaporator and condenser. We made a model of steam condensation process in the cavern. We got the first steam condensate taken from the cavitation cavern. Over the past 5 years, 7 technical solutions have been developed to remove steam from a cavity with a discharged medium. 2 patents have been obtained. In 2022, based on the obtained scientific data, a unique pilot installation of heat mass transfer equipment was created, which is called the Cavitation Desalination System (CDS). The practical result confirms the effectiveness of our technology and paves the way for scaling the process for solving larger-scale water treatment tasks. The third stage – energy efficiency. Since 2023, researchers and engineers of the project have been making changes to the working pilot installation CDS 2022 in order to increase productivity and energy efficiency. The changes made allowed us to achieve our planned goals. Today we can say with confidence that the CDS installation is comparable in energy consumption to thermal desalination technology. At the same time, it is more cost-effective and has a number of advantages, such as no sludge is formed, no chemicals when preparing water for purification and in the process of water treatment, no heating process of the evaporator surface, operating temperatures throughout the entire cycle are less than 100 degrees Celsius, depth of brackish and wastewater treatment, the possibility of further processing the brine to extract additional profit and reduce the cost of water desalination. The installation can be used for desalination of saline and brackish water, as well as for industrial wastewater treatment. The fourth stage – nowadays. In order to promote the CDS technology in the Arabian Peninsula, the Water for Life project management set up a company which is called Flaminum Technology Dubai Technology Entrepreneur Campus (DTech). The main tasks of the company are: search for partners to build a pilot project of a desalination plant, attracting investments into the project, to continue scientific and engineering developments and technology improvements. The fifth stage – test run. Within the Water for Life project, we plan to conduct a test run of the CDS installation with subsequent equipment improvement. The main purpose of the tests is to improve the technology and equipment under real conditions and to collect performance data. Based on the results of the work carried out during the test run, it is planned to determine the optimal operating parameters of the installation, which are necessary to ensure its efficient and stable operation. The data obtained will allow us to determine the right direction for development and modernization of the installation. The sixth stage – technology. We have gone all the way from the idea to the existing technology and have done a lot of work to create a new innovative technology for water treatment. So we plan to optimize the calculation methods for the desalination plant's design parameters, by which, having raw data on the quantity and quality of water, we will be able to calculate the optimal design for the definite location. The seventh stage. Tomorrow is already today. In the next couple of years, with sufficient funding, we plan to start construction of the first commercial-scale desalination plant with subsequent scaling up to the project. We will also continue our scientific work to improve the energy efficiency of the technology. Prospective calculations show the possibility of reducing energy consumption of the evaporator process without water intake and water drain due to internal sources up to 3 to 5 kilowatt-hours per cubic meter. We believe that new water treatment technologies can become a driver of economic growth and the best example of environmental responsibility. Our goal is to solve the most acute problems of water supply.